What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. You're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. So, first of all, Ramadan Kareem to all of my Muslim friends and brothers out there. I'm sure you're enjoying this holy month and everything is going great. And in this video, I'm going to review a perfume from an Emirati niche house, Jaber and Kindi, and I have already reviewed 4 of their fragrances. You can check those reviews on my channel if you're interested. So Jaber and Kindi is an Emirati house and it's a niche house, and they are producing just amazingly good fragrances. Their perfumes are so rich, so strong, very long lasting, and they gives you that very opulent and rich kind of feel. So in this video I'm going to review Cave Rose from the house of Jaber and Kindi, and this one is from their Heritage Collection. So let's start our review, and as always we'll start with the presentation first. So presentation of Heritage Collection is same in all of their perfumes from this Heritage Collection line. So it comes in this black presentation. You can see there is a sleeve on the box with a cutout here. You will find the logo of Jaber and Kindi here on the top. Then you will find a cutout here to show this metallic plate, Heritage Collection inspired by Islamic Spain, Extrait de Parfum. On the side here you will find the name of the perfume, Cave Rose, nothing on the other side. And then in the back here you will find all the details. And once you remove the sleeve, you will find this solid black box here with this beautiful metallic plate on the box with the name engraved Cave Rose, Jaber and Kindi. I hope you can see it in the camera. And to open this box, you have to lift this lid. So first thing you will get here is this white card with the name of the perfume and notes breakdown. And then you will find this beautiful bottle in this beautiful piece of cloth here. This is a silk kind of cloth, and here you go. And now let me show you the bottle. And once again, the shape of the bottle is similar to their other perfume bottles. So here you will go. You get this perfume in this beautiful tapered shape bottle. You can see the bottom and the shape of the bottle here. Once again, you will find this metallic plate here with the name of the perfume, Cave Rose, Jaber and Kindi, with this beautiful metallic cap here. It's made of metal and it's quite heavy, and this beautiful golden atomizer, and it smells really good and amazing. So overall the feel is like beautiful. It gives you that royal, rich and golden kind of feel here. So this is the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So in the notes breakdown you will get woody rose in the top, and then in the middle you will get oriental sandalwood, and then spicy amber in the base. So this is the official notes breakdown, and now I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, as I have told you earlier in the beginning of the video, that this house is really amazing. Their perfumes are complex, they are deep, and you can feel that rich and opulent quality in their blends. And this smells really good. And the best part is they not only smell good, they also perform like a beast. So here, this one opens with a beautiful combo of rose, oud and sandalwood. But this is not your everyday or regular kind of oud rose combo. So you will get that bitter kind of oud here. The oud used in this perfume is not that barnyardish traditional kind of oud, but it's more like woody, bitter kind of oud here, mixed with a beautiful rose. And even the rose used here is not that normal, regular kind of rose. If you have ever experienced Ruh Gulab from an Indian region, by the way, Ruh means spirit, and in perfume terminology, when we say like Ruh Gulab, it means extrait of rose, or you can say rose absolute. So that kind of feel you will get here. Very fresh, very deep kind of rose you will get here, mixed with that bitter, woody kind of oud with a beautiful base of sandalwood. And you will get that very beautiful spicy kind of vibe here. The spices used in this perfume are more on the amber side. So once again, if you have ever experienced Indian amber attars, Indian amber oils, you will get that kind of feel here. Indian amber oils are actually a mix of different spices. They use cinnamon, cloves, black pepper, some woods and a lot of other ingredients to create that that amber attar. So that kind of spiciness you will get here. So beautiful, soft, sweet sandalwood in the base to hold everything together, and then this beautiful rose, oud, and spicy amber. So this is how this perfume opens. A beautiful opening. It gives you that very mystical, dark, and very surreal kind of feel. And then towards the second phase, somehow you will start to get that gasoline kind of vibe here. If you have ever used Dior's Fahrenheit, you remember that gasoline kind of note used in that perfume that made it one of the most famous fragrance of its time. So you will get that kind of gasoline vibe here. And then towards the final dry down, it becomes a little bit soft. Sandalwood starts to shine more, and it becomes like a little bit spicy and woody kind of scent in the final dry down. So dynamic kind of scent. The journey is beautiful, and the experience is really very nice. And if you are looking something very special for your month of Ramadan, or if you want something very special for your Eid day, try this out, Cave Rose, and you will be loving it. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So let's talk about the performance. Performance wise, this is a true beast. Lasting is, I can say, 12 to 15 hours easily. If you do 4 sprays, you will be good to go for the whole day. And I'm talking about the indoors. And if you talk about the gender, pure unisex scent leans a little bit more towards the masculine side, but even ladies, they can rock it easily because the oud used in this perfume is not that barnyardish kind of oud. And if you talk about the age group, so you should be a little bit mature. You should have that kind of aura to carry this kind of perfume. It's deep, it's exotic, it's alluring, it's mystical, and it's very sophisticated. So you should be around the age of, I can say, 22, 23 for the best experience, and use this perfume when you are well dressed. If you want to smell like really a rich and successful guy, use this perfume, Cave Rose, and you will be loving it. And now let's talk about season or weather. So absolutely a winter scent, but if you're living in Middle Eastern countries, or if you're spending more of your time in an indoor air-conditioned environment, then you can rock this perfume even in summers. But if you are going outside in direct sunlight and the temperature is like 30-35 degrees plus, then avoid it. Otherwise, if temperature is around like 30, under 30, and especially in the night time, right now is the perfect weather to use this perfume in nights, because it's a little bit heat in the daytime, but in the night it's a little bit cold. So you will be enjoying this perfume. This was about the season and weather. For the best experience, use this perfume in indoors, in air-conditioned environment, or in the winters. And now let's talk about the occasion. So something very special. If you are going on a very special kind of date with your fiance, you are going on your wedding, if it's your own wedding, or if you're going for a party, I can say something very special. So keep this perfume for some special occasions. Avoid to use this perfume in your gym or in your sports activities. Other than that, you can use this perfume whenever you want to impress people, whenever you want to smell rich, whenever you want to smell opulent and classy. Use Cave Rose from the house of Jaber and Kindi. And now let's come to the main point, the pricing of this perfume. So first of all, this perfume is out of stock. Right now it's sold out, but I'm sure they're going to bring it very soon in the stock. So Cave Rose comes in 50 ml quantity with this beautiful presentation, and the concentration is extrait de parfum. And the current price of this perfume inside UAE was 420 UAE dirhams. Yes, it's expensive for a 50 ml bottle, but trust me guys, you can compare this perfume with any niche brand out there. You can compare it with Xerjoff, you can compare it with any brand. Any perfume which is going to cost you around like 700, 800 or 1000 dirham. You can compare it with those kind of perfumes easily. Technically, this perfume also falls in that kind of category. Like the price of this and Amouage is almost similar, but trust me, even the quality here is very similar to that Amouage and Oman luxury. So you'll get that kind of high quality blending here. But yeah, it's a little bit expensive, but try it out and you will know that how a high quality perfume smells. So this was my review about Cave Rose from the house of Jaber and Kindi. Do check it out if it's possible for you, and I'm sure you are going to love it. So if you are a guy who is into these kind of niche fragrances, you will be loving it. So this was my review about Cave Rose. I hope you liked it. So I'm going to catch you in my another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.